Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import Snapseed presets. If you don't know how to do it, I'm going to show you an easy way. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Snapseed app on your phone. Now, click on the plus icon to add the photo that you want to edit. Now, edit the photo according to your likes and create a preset. As you can see, I have inverted the photo. Now, I'm going to save this as a preset and import the preset in another photo. To do it, simply click on Styles and click on this plus icon here to create a preset. Click on Save. Now open a new photo that we can apply this preset to. Now scroll to side and you'll see your preset here. Click on it. And just like that, we have imported preset in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.